DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. GoPro killer or just hype? Tired of action cams that die mid-adventure or deliver footage blurrier than your memories? Let's be real. Nothing kills the vibe faster than an overheating battery, muddy low-light shots, or a camera that needs a PhD to mount properly. You're out there chasing peaks, waves, roads, and thrills, but your gear's stuck fumbling in mediocrity. You waste time fiddling with screws, missing the moment, and losing the rush. The worst part? You paid for this mess. The frustration builds. The motivation fades. The footage is meh. If you've ever yelled at a GoPro, you already know the feeling. Deadlines, epic moments, and your patience don't wait around. That once-in-a-lifetime sunset ride? Gone. That perfect shot? Missed it. Battery's toast. You're stuck charging more than you're shooting. Strapped with gear that's clunky, freezing up in cold, or overheating mid-clip. It's crushing. Your creative fire starts to dim, opportunities slip through your fingers, and you start asking, is this even worth it? The burnout creeps in, especially when the tools meant to capture freedom start feeling like a cage. What if your camera could actually keep up with your chaos? Meet the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo, your next level go everywhere, shoot anything solution. With 4K at 120 frames per second video, a wide 155-degree field of view, and an advanced 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, this cam packs pro-level clarity in a palm-sized body. Low light beast? Check. Waterproof up to 18 meters without a housing? You bet. Survives minus 20 degrees Celsius and shoots for up to 150 minutes, even in deep freeze. You also get Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady for ultra-smooth footage, no matter the chaos. The magnetic mounts snap you between setups in seconds. Plus, this 50-piece accessory bundle includes 3 extreme batteries, charging case, 128 GB card, and a 1.5 meters selfie rod for ultimate versatility. Say hello to freedom. And users, they're raving like it's a backstage pass to adventure. Stunning video quality, magnetic mount is a game changer, says one off-road junkie. Another added, my first action cam, and now I can't stop filming everything. Reviewers highlight the fast charging case, which doubles as a power bank, and dual touchscreens that make shooting a breeze. Whether you're biking through mud, snowboarding down peaks, or diving without worry, this thing's built for you. Designed tough, runs cold, captures hot. And let's not forget the sleek design, intuitive software, and that wild list of included accessories. With the Osmo Action 4, you're not just documenting memories, you're building epic ones. Don't wait. This bundle disappears fast. Buy now, before your next adventure happens without it. Secure yours today, because stock is super limited and demand is surging. Join thousands of creators, thrill seekers, and explorers who've already leveled up. Don't settle for shaky, short-lived footage when you can film like a pro everywhere. Whether it's your first action cam or your next upgrade, act now. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo isn't just a camera, it's a passport to unfiltered, unforgettable, unstoppable content. Seize this chance and win.